Let's talk about something we as couples often face: communication problems. Yes, it can be challenging, but no worries. I've got your back. Today we're looking at the top 6 communication issues and what to do. Number 1, repetition. If you feel like you're always on repeat, then psychologists suggest switching up your approach. You can try saying it differently or even using some humor to get your point across. Number 2, misunderstandings. We've all been there. But a good strategy here is clarify, and clarify some more. Never assume your partner gets it. Always ask if they understood what you meant. Number 3, disagreements. They're natural, but instead of fighting, focus on finding common ground. Remember, it's you against the problem, not each other. Number 4, arguments. Here's a great tip. Take timeouts, cool off, and come back to the conversation in a better headspace. Number 5, delayed responses. Waiting for a partner's reply can be frustrating, but be patient and communicate to them your need for a timely response, because often life just gets in the way. Finally, number 6, silence. Silent treatment can be a relationship killer. Always try to take the first step, even when it's awkward. A simple, "Hey, can we talk?" can work wonders. There you go. 6 common communication problems and ideas to fix them. Remember, good communication is key to all strong relationships. Also, check out the full article at therelationshipguy.com. Hit like and subscribe for more relationship advice. I appreciate you watching.